business. I do love pretending that all we do is drive rally cars. So rally rings, 2,200 miles of driving later, not in that thing. And we're here to do some ice driving, something that we're not going to really need or experience in the British Rally Championship this year, driving on ice. However, the surface allows me to feel the subtle changes that we make on the car and give me a better base that I can work with whilst driving in the championship we are driving in this year. Before we go driving, I thought I'd show you an example of the studded tyres that we're going to use today. These studs are a little bit more used than those studs. These ones are pretty stiff in the rubber. These ones move a little bit more, and some of the tops have been taken off. They give us a huge amount of grip. They stick 7mm of them into the ice and give me a lot of confidence when I'm braking and accelerating and turning. They're a lot better than something like those, which don't do much at all. Whilst we spend a little bit of time on these, we do all of the rallying and most of the testing on these. All right, I'm gonna go chuck this racing suit on, just like that. I'm gonna go drive onto my stages. See you in a second. Snowy, icy, and a little bit gravelly Finland. We're here doing a test in the Skoda Fabia. I woke up like this, not really, it's midday. I've done a bit of testing today on a faster road, yesterday on a slightly slower road, trying to get an overall representation of what the car can do. Lots of different things we're trying to congregate them all together, build a good base that we can use for the British Rally Championship. I'm going to do a bit more vlogging for you, a bit more of a breakdown later on in the day, but for now, Axel, you find a place to stand, and I am going to go get a rally car. I'll see you in a minute. We're at the top of the stage right now. We're at this donutty type of area. Axel's going to show you a couple of shots. It's particularly useful this because we can run 3 kilometers up the stage, go around this circular area and go straight back down the stage without actually having to stop at all. Keep it in stage mode, keep it running. It gives us more distance to work out how our changes have affected the car, whether it's been a positive change, whether it's been a negative change. In 3 kilometers, you don't get too much of an overall representation, but over 6 kilometers and a time over 6 kilometers gives you a bit more noticeable margin to work out how positive or negative something has been. So I'm a bit cold up here, not really much going on without the rally car, so I'm going to head back down and I'll leave you to it. So see you in a bit. That should be ice, but well, it is ice, it's just very dirty ice. Nice. Testing done. Now time to close this chapter and I'll start a new one. A bit more testing somewhere else, don't know, but we'll find out very soon.